But first tonight, restaurants in central Illinois reeling from the spread of COVID-19. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Kimberly Eaton.
And I'm Rebecca Brumfield. Now, some owners making the decision to close down as staff members test positive, but Austin Shigig joins us now to explain why it's not mandatory and what it means for diners. Austin.
Yeah, Rebecca, Kim, health department officials saying they aren't shutting businesses down when an employee tests positive. In fact, it's voluntary. Now, some local restaurant owners are making that decision tonight as COVID-19 hits their staff members. Several area restaurants closing due to staff members testing positive for COVID-19. One of them is Double A's in Peoria.
My decision was really based on the fact that we needed to take some time and understand fully what our options and requirements were.
According to the current health guidelines, restaurants are not being forced to close if there's a positive test, but should alert the health department to contact trace.
As long as we are able to do contact tracing and get feedback appropriately, as long as that trust and that communication and cooperation happens, we don't necessarily do large-scale mass releases of information.
Restaurants close on their own accord, and Smith says when he found out about a positive test, he took to Facebook to give customers a heads up.
It's totally up to whoever is in charge, and my decision, I wanted to be transparent with our guests just because I am a local owner.
Hendrickson applauds restaurants that decided to close and says when there is a positive case, businesses have been cooperating.
Do ask that they kind of understand the person's scope, where they've been moving, as well as to do a lot of additional cleaning, especially high-touch areas.
Smith says the employee wasn't in close contact with anyone according to the CDC guidelines of constant contact, but if more employees test positive, he will cooperate.
If there tends to be some kind of a trend or something like that that would require us to shut down longer, we absolutely would certainly abide by that.
Double A's was cleaned and hopes to reopen by the end of the week. Now, Public House also had a positive case, and their owner told me over Facebook in part, quote, "We have been deep cleaning all areas and have been in contact with the health department, and we will be reopening very soon." Kimberly.